Okay, class, today I'm going to teach you how to do your Flipgrid. So what I'd like you to do is open Google and you're going to type in flipgrid.com. Once that comes up, you're going to have to enter your Flipgrid code. And the code that we are going to use for our class is LCAP photo. So then you're going to hit go to. Now you need to hit you need to enter a password, grid password, and your grid password is Studio 1262. Then you hit let's go. Now this is where you're going to find all the different Flipgrids that we have. Now today we are going to work on the exposure triangle for aperture. So you're going to click on the exposure triangle. And the first thing you will see is it says, what is aperture and how does your aperture affect your depth of field? So what you can do here is you can actually go through and you can make a video. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus button where it says moderated, and you're going to click on it, and then you need to log in with Google. Now, I highly suggest you use your school email address because then it will link properly. Now, the first thing you're going to do is when you get here is you're going to actually record your video. So to record, you're going to hit this pink button right here. So I'm going to go, hello class. This is where you're going to record your aperture, or what you know about aperture and what you know about depth of field. And then you're going to hit this pause button. After you hit the pause button, it's going to go to a new screen where you would review what you did. After you review it, you are going to actually just hit next again. Now I'm going to kind of skip through that process so you don't have to watch this over again. So I'm going to hit pause, hit next, and then I'm going to hit next right away. Now what you want to do is you want to take a selfie. So make sure when you do take your selfie, you actually look at the camera, which is up above. And so I'm going to take my selfie. Now, if you don't like your selfie, you can go down here and you can trash it and you can retake it. But now that you're here, you can actually color on it. So if I want to color, I can make a little happy face, or I can do, maybe I want to draw on my embellishments on my glasses. Now you also have stickers here, so you can go through and there's a bunch of different sticker types that you can do. Maybe today I am really feeling, I don't know, how am I feeling? I'm feeling like it's cold today, so I'm going to add little snowflakes. So I can add some snowflakes or whatever I want to do. If you don't want your face to be shown, because you don't like the way your face looks or you just don't want it shown, you can put like a little smiley face here and you can cover your face right up. So that is totally fine as well. Once you get it the way you want it, you're going to hit submit. Now it takes a minute for the video to finish, but then it says congratulations now. This is important. So the topic is being moderated, which means that your video won't be visible until it has been approved. So if you want to, you can download it, or you can just hit complete. And what will happen is once I've gone through and approved them all, then you guys will be able to see them. And you'll be able to go on to each person's and see what they said, see how you can compare, and yeah. That's it. If you have any other questions, please let me know.